Last year, I went solo traveling, but nothing could prepare me for what was to happen next. Disaster. I was experiencing freedom for the first time. I had money, I had time, and I had my health. But then all of a sudden, I lost it all. I spent the last 12 months getting it back, clearing my debts, paying my dues, squashing my pride. But now I have a new challenge, and I'm taking you with me. Six months to 100,000. Good morning, guys. It is Monday, the 25th of May, 2026. And sun is shining. The weather is sweet, you know, and hopefully it's going to be a sweeter week this week. So, just got out of the gym, and yeah, let's see what this week has to hold. Fingers crossed it's going to be a good one. Yo, peeps. No trading day today. It was bank holiday for all currency pairs that I trade. So, yeah, no trade. See you tomorrow. Morning. It is, what's the day today? Tuesday, the 26th. Unemployed life, right? Unemployed, unemployable. What one? Unemployable, baby. Anyways, Tuesday, the 26th of May, 2026. I just got out of the gym, hit a nice session by myself, feeling fresh and all of that. I need to do a couple errands today. I need to go to the bank, deposit some money, because it looks like we're going to be moving in next week. So I need to pay my deposit and stuff like that. So I'm gonna put some money in the bank, pay my deposit. No, I've paid my deposit already, tell a lie, but I need to pay for my first month's rent and another deposit as well. Anyhow, so yeah, I'm gonna do that, then get back and see what's good. Bank holiday was yesterday, so today hopefully the market should be a little bit more up to speed. Yesterday the markets were moving a bit brazy, but we'll see what they hold today be. Get me? Anyways, I'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, no trade today. I was literally this close to getting tapped in, but it left me, and I'm not taking the trade if it isn't tapping in on where I wanted to tap in. Let me show you. As you can see here, let me focus. Cool. So the price came all the way down to right there, and I just needed it to touch this box, but it didn't want to touch this box. What is this box? This box is a fair value gap from this green candle, and obviously there's no fair value gap in here. That's why I couldn't take the trade from here. So it's unfortunate. As you can see, the trade is leaving, and it would have been a beautiful entry, but it isn't. So regardless, I'll be back tomorrow. Good afternoon. It is Wednesday, 27th of May, 2026. And currently at the park doing an ab workout, as you can tell. And I've marked up the charts. It's currently about 20 to 1. I'm just out here enjoying the sunshine, soaking it up, and yeah, getting some gains in. It's not looking like I'm going to get a setup today, and the reason why is because price is very, very close. How do I put it? The whole number that I need to be swept is very close to the other end of the day range. So the price is taken out the high, and the whole number is all the way down next to the low of the day. So that means if it takes the whole number, it's probably going to take the bottom as well, which means it swept both sides of liquidity for the day's range, which is usually what I trade. So it's not likely that I'll get a trade today, but we'll see what happens. Never say never, right? But yeah, let me get to the session and I'll keep you guys posted. What's goody, peeps? So no trade today, another day, remaining disciplined in the markets, and another 30 minutes of Pokemon stacked. Yeah, dig? So yeah, man, it's a good day. It's a good day. My place a small trade later on as a minimum qualifying day. And once I've done that, my next trade can only be a good trade. And yeah, that'll be my 4 minimum qualifying trading days for my next one after today. So yeah, man, I'll see you tomorrow. Thursday, 28th of May 2026, and just got back from the gym. So yeah, another day to make it happen, qualify for a minimum trading day. The trade gave me like minus 0.2%, so whatever. But today or tomorrow, I'm hoping is going to be the day where we get this run up, baby. So yeah, but regardless, see you soon. All right, good evening, guys. No trade today. There was breaking news again today, and that caused the market to tank and not come back up. I was literally waiting for it to come back up to entry. Got all of the rest of the confluences, just didn't come back up to tap me in my zone. So yeah, no trading day today. Let's pray we get one tomorrow. Good morning. It is Friday the 29th of May 2026, and currently we are still at no trade for the week. So hoping to change things today. I've been to the gym. Today I got to get a haircut at 2 p.m, which is bang in the middle of New York session, and usually I get my setup so between 2:30 and 3:30 p.m. So it's gonna be a bit of a sticky one. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Hoping to get something today. Hoping to get some action, but only God knows. So yeah, let's see what the market has to say. I don't think there's any news today either, which is good. But I'm expecting breaking news. Well, maybe not today, but sometime soon, because Trump needs to approve the final agreement between the US and Iran. So yeah, man. Anyways, I'll see you guys in New York session. Yo, peeps. So no trade today. I'm so gutted. I literally just missed an entry. I just missed a setup, and bro, it flew. And the reason why I missed it is because I was waiting for it to go to an area, to a zone, which I had marked out. But then I realized, and I was waiting for it to get to that zone before I placed a sell. But I realized there was actually another zone that I could have sold off of when price was at it. And so I didn't enter straight away. I said, all right, let me just wait for a change of market structure on the 1 minute time frame. But it didn't even happen. Let me show you. All right, so as you can see here, I was waiting for price to get to this level here. Okay, it didn't get to that level, right? But then I saw price had got up to this level where there's a fair value gap. There's also a Fibonacci levels in here. Okay, so price was there. And then I said to myself, all right, cool, let me just wait. I saw the rejection off of it, and I said, let me just wait. I want price to go up, then change character, and then up, and then drop. Okay, but as you can see, price literally just tanked. Now, I can usually enter as soon as price hits my zone. Okay, I can enter and just sell. But because price was already at my zone, I said to myself, let me not chase the market. Let me wait for the market to come to me. And, you know, unfortunately, I waited for the market, and yeah, it just dropped from that zone, from that level. So it's unfortunate, but no trade this whole week. But guess what? We go again next week. Stuff like this, it just makes you a better trader. Showing that you can miss trades and not chase the market is what really makes a professional trader. Chasing the market after you miss an entry is what shows that you're an amateur. And so there's no amateur movements out here. There's just patience, and patience pays eventually. Remember, I only need one more trade left to pass the funded account to get live funded with 100K. And yeah, man, we'll take that. We'll take that. I'll see you guys next week. And yeah, let's make sure it's a better one.